Hello, my friend. I'm Elon Kane. Today, we're diving into how to make money with Canva step by step for beginners. This is simple but powerful. By the end, you'll know how to turn Canva into a tool that actually makes money. Canva isn't just for design, it's a money tool. You can create templates, sell them, and even earn commissions. It's easy once you know the steps. So, what is Canva? Think of it like a big market. It's full of tools, colors, and ready-made designs. You just pick what you want and make it yours. We'll also use Notion. It helps you stay organized. Think of it as your digital notebook. With Canva and Notion together, you can build a small income stream. Canva has two doors, Free and Pro. Free gives you lots of templates, fonts, images. Pro gives you even more premium photos, magic resize, background remover. It's like free water from a tap versus bottled water with flavor. Both quench your thirst. One feels extra. Start with free. Learn the basics. Upgrade later when you see money coming in. Here's a quick boost. You can earn commissions by sharing Canva Pro. Even if you don't sell templates, you can still make money. Canva isn't just for designers. Teachers use it for lesson slides. Marketers use it for ads. Students use it for presentations. Business owners use it for social media. It's like a Swiss Army knife. One tool, many jobs. No matter your work, Canva has a place for you. Another example, printables like planners or wall art are trending online. Just one template can turn into multiple income streams. If you're new, start simple. Pick a social media post template. Change the text, colors, and pictures. Boom. You've got a product you can sell. Pro tip, use magic resize to turn one post into multiple sizes for Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. One design, many platforms. More chances to earn. Now bring Notion into the mix. Use it as your notebook. Track designs, links, sales. It's like a market ledger, but digital. Canva makes the product. Notion helps you run the business. Let's recap. Canva gives you free and pro tools. It works for every profession. With Notion, you can stay organized. And don't forget the affiliate program and trending printables can give your income a boost. This isn't rocket science. It's kindergarten simple. Pick, edit, sell, repeat. Here's a challenge. Create your first social media post today. Share it in the comments. You'll see how easy it really is. If you want more tips, check out creators like Ali Abdaal, Catherine Manning, Peter McKinnon, and Mark Hayes Brownlee. They share practical alike. Use these ideas, earn with Canva. I'm Elon Kane.